What are you guys doing? Wow. Idiots on the road, man. It was a bad idea, guys. Guys, go ahead, man. Why did I come this far? Yeah, right. What the man? Too slow. Nice people. What are you guys doing? Why are you guys so slow? Wow. What are you guys doing? What are you guys actually doing? What the is everyone on? Anyways, I think they're just testing my patience at this point. Yeah. Oh, this road. This road is not at all fun. Tingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-ling. Tingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle-lingle. Yeah, this road is very rocky, guys. I do not like it for a reason. And it's very, very congested. Like, look at people walking just like that. So, oh. Was that on the Carbon 5? That looks nice. It's a very sporty position, but yeah. Why is my indicator still on? The problem with such roads is you can't overtake. You have to wait for the perfect opportunity to overtake, and and in such opportunities, people just start defending for no reason. So, yeah, that's something. Yeah, if I was on scooty, I would have died by now. But luckily, I'm not. And bike is much more comfortable. Opportunity to overtake, but I did not, because I'm a sane human being and not an insane human being. Yeah, I took a lot of time to overtake, so. Oh, this is RR Nagar main road. Oh, that was so not visible. I would have gone into it. What is this car guy doing actually? Why is he defending from me? Like, we are not even in the same competition. Guys, go ahead, man. Yeah. It's already 9:06. Very nice. I'm gonna reach in 22 minutes. Wow. It's gonna be like 9:30 by the time I reach there. Yeah, I'll leave by 10:30, reach here by 11:30. Yeah, and then I'll have to work on a presentation. It was a bad idea, guys. It was a bad idea. Traffic rules, actually. I am going for it. I'm done following the shitty rules. Because, nobody seems to follow it. It seems like I'm the idiot who is very hell-bent on following it. Come on, Swift, just give me a sniff of freedom. I'll go for it, because that's where I have reached. I take a right. Yeah, I haven't clearly been on this road enough times for me to just not go without Google. Oh, now I know where I am. Why did I come this far? This is the road to Pinya. I mean, whenever I'm going to Pinya, I take this road. Okay, this is a Pinya road. I don't know how or why I ended up here. Okay, I mean, you can go to Yeshwanthpur from here. But yeah, it's just a different route. I would not take this route given the road condition. I mean, this part is nice, but getting till here and ahead it gets worse. So yeah, I mean, I hope they fixed it. If they did, then I would be the first person to love it. Go that side, no? You have so much space and he still wants to cross the double cross lines. And watch me proceed to cross the double cross lines. Hypocrite. I'm a hypocrite. But like, I make sure that there's no one on the other side. Even though I know I should not be crossing it, but like I can't do anything if idiots on the road keep driving like that. Because if you're going, then don't be on the right side, right? But yeah. Yeah, man, I think this road is fixed now. Or have I still not reached the bad part of it? Because I remember this road being horrible. Horrible to drive. Because if I start overtaking on left, then it's just going to be very, very, very weird. Oh, that was the road. This is a different road. No, this is not the different. Oh, this is a different road. Yeah. Oh, that road is the one which is messed up. This one is nice. Oh, yeah, glad to know. Next time, I'll take it. She just gave up or what? She's like, hell nah, I ain't waiting. And bro just went. Oh, this guy, oh, he was about to fall. Damn, man. Am I the only one not breaking traffic rules? No, I have people with me. Glad I have people with me. It would be crazy if I did. That idiot on the road. I don't know if camera captured it, but yeah. There's one more idiot on the road. Yeah, right. What the man? Why would I expect? Oh man, I'm so done with India. I would have beaten the out of them if they crashed into me. Like I would have. I would have stopped right there and beaten the out of him. Like idiots on the road, man. Like it's a red signal. Just wait. I know the road looks empty, but like wait. Or if you're coming, then be mindful of who the is looking at you and who is not. Because why the would I be looking when I have a green signal and the opposite lane people are coming? Fucking hell, man. Brother, can you let me go, please? Like, I do not want to be waiting behind you. I'm too fast to be waiting behind you. I saw him lose control, and I didn't expect anyone to be coming from there, so I just didn't see him. And the moment I saw him, I was like, oh shit, this is not gonna end well. But yeah, well, it ended pretty well. None of us touched. I mean, I'll take the positives, man. He was wearing a helmet, so I'll take the positives. Oh, there's a kid in the auto. What are people doing? I'm so annoyed. I know the route from now. Should I just turn the map off? Sir, please go for it. Do not. Oh my god. My god. I mean, he has bullet. It's understandable. It's not very maneuverable. Swear to God, I don't know what people wait for. I just ran over piece of glass. Sir, 1 minute, please. Yes, thank you. Love you. I mean, not really, but like, yeah. Thank you for letting me go like that. Whoa, that guy looks like he was crazy. Yeah, here I have to be very mindful of my speeds because you never know when an idiot is gonna show up. You literally never know when an idiot is gonna show up. At least he decided to give indicator and not just slow down randomly. But yeah. I mean, he was not doing anything wrong. This should not be annoyed at at least. I think possible to be annoyed. I was having such a nice day till now, man. I don't know why I do this to myself. I don't know why I bought a bike. I should have just gotten a car and no, then I would have been in jail if I bought a car. Yeah, I would have been like, this shit. 2-wheeler people can die. No, the car also can die. If I had a car, I would just be like, this shit, and just crash into people. But yeah, and no, I mean, okay, I would literally not do that. But like, it's just an emotion, guys. It's just an emotion. Do not be scared if you see me driving a car. I mean, you guys don't know my face, but still, don't be scared. I'm not gonna do that. But it will definitely be in consideration, yeah. So if you down too much, then be ready to get Max Verstappen treatment. Too slow. Nah. Oh, that gave me a scare. Bro just decided to turn and take a swing on this side. Which I get it, but I don't at the same time. What is that guy angry about? Wow, bro is on a phone, not wearing helmet, and then cutting through the traffic. Very nice. I think I'm not hungry though. I had dosa at like 7, so I'm not hangry. But yeah, I'm just annoyed. Nah, I don't think there's a way to explain it. This time when I fueled up, I was like, I will focus on fuel saving. I will do a economical riding. There's something called as riding in economy. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm built for it. I think that requires a stretch. If I were ever to do that. Yeah, got unscathed from there, which is interesting. Oh well, look at those nice people. waiting on the wrong side of the road. How lovely, man. We live in a country where people don't give a shit. Like, like, why are you waiting on the other side of the road? You know that's gonna slow the traffic down. But yeah, well, it is what it is, I guess. I'm not gonna try and reason through whatever they do. Like, there was enough space. And do they not get a fine? I mean, half the Bangalore shit doesn't work. So, because I have never gotten a fine. I mean, I also don't break rules. Now that I think about it, I think it's time to break rules, guys. I think. Huh? Hey, how come there's no traffic, man? I love it. Oh no. Did I speak way too soon? Did I just do that? I didn't want to do that. Please, no traffic. Like generally this part of the area is very filled at this time, but well, somehow it isn't now. So I appreciate. It gets approval from me actually. It's asking me to take that road. Okay, fine. I'm gonna follow Google. Let's see where it takes me. Generally, I would take that road and then take a U-turn ahead. But Google knows better, right, guys? Right? No, the amount of times I have dissed Google, I don't know how I'm trusting it right now. But yeah, it did get me on a pretty good road, man. To be very honest, it didn't have like a lot of bumps off roads. So, after all, I'll be taking that road. So just give me a little space. Right. Bro stopped in middle of the road. Why did I stop? Oh, second gear. Wow. Oh, never mind. Not even second gear. Yeah, I was not even second gear. Second gear was optimism there. I was in third gear and I thought. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I'm so glad I have a bike. If that was a scooty, then I would have died a little from inside. Oh wait. Never mind. I took the wrong turn, guys. I was supposed to go there. Okay. So, I think that's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.